It's been more than a month since a tornado ripped through the Black Hills National Forest. Now, timber cutting contractors are taking up the task of salvaging as much of the downed timber as possible. KELOLAND's Al Van Zee has the story.
It's one of the hardest areas to reach in the Black Hills, and it just so happens it's also where a tornado touched down on June 29th, leaving a 19-mile-long area of destruction. Here in Surprise Gulch in the Wyoming Black Hills, George Mesa and his crew are working in a timber sale area that's just recently been logged.
It's known for growing big trees and stuff, and it's the Bear Lodge. I mean, it's big wood in here.
The Forest Service calls this the Red Belly Timber Sale. The tornado pulled trees out of the ground and snapped off thousands of others. The Forest Service wants to save as much as it can.
We estimate that of the timber that's down, usually about half of it's broken or shattered too much to make into logs, so they'll get about half of what was on the ground.
The timber cutters are working against the clock. The longer the trees lay on the ground, the more blue-stained fungus will begin to invade the wood. Jake Jackson says the invasion has already started in some areas and expects his crews to be busy all summer.
We're estimating right now probably the end of August, the first week of September, we should be done with the majority of the cleanup on the activities in all three of the sales that we're going back into.
The Forest Service has opened up 3 timber sale areas for salvage operations with 7 crews cutting and hauling out the timber. Al Van Zee, KELOLAND News in the Black Hills.
Now, that same storm also produced large hail that did extensive damage from the Lead Deadwood area all the way across the prairies to the Pier area.